Healthy meals begin when your cooking gets smarter and simpler. Meet COMFEE, the simple and reliable way to steam fresh food at home. Designed to match your lifestyle, your kitchen, and your daily cooking routine. With one-touch control, perfect steaming is always just seconds away. Steam vegetables while keeping their color, texture, and nutrition intact. Pure steam cooking locks in natural flavor without oil or additives. Perfect for fish, seafood, and delicate meals that need gentle heat. Powerful performance that works quietly while you enjoy your time. Premium stainless steel construction made for durability and everyday use. Smart cooking made easy even on your busiest weekdays. Consistent results you can rely on, meal after meal. Go from steaming to serving in just a few easy minutes. Healthy food that looks delicious and tastes even better. Upgrade your kitchen with modern, effortless steaming power. COMFEE Food Steamer. Steam smarter and eat healthier every day.